There are some dishes that are not just about food. They are about memories, about a city, about moments that stay with you forever. And for that, every Bangali who has walked into those Mughlai restaurants on Park Street, chicken bharta is not just a curry, it's an emotion.
Hi, this one's special, chicken bharta. My dad's absolute favorite. No matter what was on the table, if the dish was served, he'd be the happiest. So today, I'm not just making a recipe, I'm recreating a memory with all the authentic flavor and none of the shortcuts. Let's go.
We start by poaching chicken the traditional way, in water with bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, and a pinch of salt. Slowly, gently, the meat absorbs all those subtle flavors, and when it's shredded, it carries the fragrance of every spice infused in it. Now begins the magic of the gravy. In hot oil, we melt down onion paste until it turns golden and sweet. Then stir in minced garlic, ginger, and that fiery green chilies. The kitchen fills with the aroma that instantly takes you to those bustling Kolkata kitchens where food is cooked with love and patience. The masala deepens with tomato puree and a vibrant mix of spices. Turmeric for warmth, red chili for heat, coriander for earthiness, and roasted cumin for that unmistakable depth along with salt. Each spice layers over the other, creating a foundation of this bharta. To this, we fold in a silky blend of yogurt with cashew paste, making the curry creamy, nutty, and oh so luxurious. About a ladle of chicken stock enriches the base, giving it body and soul. And once that poached chicken has cooled down, it's ready to be shredded to go into the gravy. And then the shredded chicken goes in, every strand soaking up that luscious gravy. We let it simmer slowly, letting the flavors marry into one comforting whole. Finally, a drizzle of cream, a sprinkling of kasuri methi, a dollop of butter, and of course the boiled eggs, halved and nestled in, just like you'd find in the best Kolkata eateries. The result is something more than just a dish. It's comfort on a plate. Creamy, smoky, rich and soulful. This is chicken bharta, the way Kolkata loves it. A dish that makes you close your eyes after the first bite and smile because it tastes like home, like memories, like nostalgia. Pair it with naan, paratha, or even simple jeera rice and let every bite remind you of why Kolkata's food is truly unforgettable.
There's something about chicken bharta that feels like a warm hug. Rich, flavorful, full of love, and full of memories. Some recipes aren't just about ingredients, they're about the people we make them for. This is my dad's favorite, and now it's a piece of him I get to hold on to. If you try it, I hope it brings you as much comfort as it brings me. So save it, share it, and let me know how you like it. See you next time.